Welcome back. Today we are going to check something that I built, which is supposed to be a hard stop on all kinds of obfuscated and regular inappropriate hate and toxic speech on online forums, even games, and maybe some other sensitive communities. So I know this thing is something that already exists in most places, and this was my attempt to capture some things or do some things it couldn't do, the current ones are not able to do. So this filter, like any other filter, allows you to type in regular speech and then gives you a verdict based on that. And also allows you to say good things too. And then it's gonna tell you if you can say that or not. But what the issue with most of the current models is that if you were to misspell any of the words like that, right? If I were to put this through any like group chat or like an online community, like a monitored online community, the bot would not be able to catch this because this one has been obfuscated and it is not something that it has seen. Like I've seen hashtags on like TikTok where I can write this inside a hashtag or just like that, and then I can bypass every single filter on TikTok and Instagram. But I think this model catches you in places where even those filters don't catch you. I have also inserted a link in the description. Do check my app out and please give me some feedback. Your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.